Good morning, Spellhouse. Welcome to your last class of the day. And this is the last thing we have until tomorrow, Friday, which is field trip or back home, unfortunately. So let's just make sure we're back at the school. Let's just make sure we really persevere through hard for our last class. So first, what is the purpose of informational writing? So here's the writing prompt that we are going to work on in writing this week and next. Choose something that you are an expert on. Then create an informative text that informs your reader about that topic. So just like how informational texts are trying to teach us something, you're going to be an informational text author and you're going to teach your reader something. Again, this doesn't have to be something you like really intense. Here's some examples: babysitting, getting high paychecks. If you think you're an expert at that, you have a high paycheck every week, you can write about that. Playing a sport, eating a lot of food, getting good at video games, or being silly, anything you're totally an expert at in life or that you're really good at. So a couple things to know: make sure you choose something that's interesting and exciting and you want others to know more about. You're not just going to be writing about yourself doing this thing. You are going to try and teach your reader about how to be good at that too. And in the text we create, again, it's not going to be a story. It's going to have all those nonfiction text features that we looked at in the text yesterday. So go ahead and jot down right now in your journal, flip to the next clean page in your journal, and jot down what are you going to write about in your informational text. I'll leave you the prompt right here. Jot that down. Awesome. So the steps to the writing process are: we must always first create a blank, then we're drafting, then we revise and edit, and then a final draft. What goes in the blank? So the brainstorm strategy we are going to use today is called a circle map. So go ahead on your paper and draw 2 circles. And pause when you're done. And then, oops, sorry, my potatoes are ready for dinner. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I had to pause that. Now I am back. So make sure that you draw 2 circles. In the middle is the thing you are an expert on. And then all on the outside, here's your first step. Include that one topic in the middle and then at least 7 subtopics. So all these different things that you have to do in order to be an expert at this one thing. So for example, mine, I think I'm an expert at being a good friend to people. So some different ways to be a good friend are to be loyal. Don't be scared to tell them the truth. Always be there for them. Be a good listener, support them, love them, be yourself, cheer them up when they're down, all stuff like that. So go ahead in this outside circle, at least 7 subtopics. And now is step 2. Go ahead and read through those different subtopics and then eliminate the ones that aren't really your favorites. Try and think, which ones of these can I write a lot about and which ones would I probably not be able to write too much about in a text. X out your least favorite and then choose 3 that are the best that you're going to have be your subtopics. And then just jot somewhere down on the side of the page the 3 that you chose, just like this example has. Awesome. So if you're done, repeat the process. Choose a second thing you're an expert on. Make the circle map again. Tomorrow we're going to start drafting, and you're only going to create a draft for one of them, but I still want you to make 2 separate circle maps. They can be on different pages of your journal so that you can see which you like best. I know you probably already think I did one now, I'm done with it, but still try one more and you might surprise yourself that you like the second one better and you'll choose something different. Just remember, you are going to be teaching somebody about this and you're not just writing a story. You are going to get to use all those awesome nonfiction text features in yours as well.